Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about axin. Axin is a plant hormone. Contents: introduction, definition, types of plant hormones, biosynthesis of axins. Introduction. What is meant by phytohormone? The plant hormones distinguish from plant to animals hormones. It is called as phytohormones. It was discovered by Pincus and Thyman in 1948. Define hormones. Most of the physiological activities and growth in plants are regulated by the action and interaction of some chemical substances are called as hormone. What is plant hormone? It is defined as organic substance produced naturally in the higher plants, controlling growth or other physiological functions at a site remote from its place of production and active in minute amount. Types of plant hormones: axin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid, and ethylene. Axin. Axin was the first hormone to be discovered in plants and at the one time considered to be only naturally occurring plant growth hormones. Charles Darwin was among the first scientists to dabble in plant hormone research. In his book The Power of Movement in Plants, presented in 1880, he first describes the effect of light on movement of canary grass coleoptiles or coleoptile tips, promote stem elongation, inhibit growth of lateral buds or maintenance of apical dominance. They are produced in the stem, buds and root tips. Example, indole 3 acetic acid or indole acetic acid. Axin is a plant hormone produced in the stem tip that promotes cell elongation. This is a picture for cell elongation. Axin molecules present in the plant shoot and it is moves away from the light to form cell elongation. Biosynthesis of axin. The biosynthesis of axin is otherwise called as indole 3 acetic acid or indole acetic acid. The indole 3 acetic acid involved in the biosynthesis of have two major pathways. First one, tryptophan dependent pathway, and another one, tryptophan independent pathway. Dependent pathway is involved in the three major pathway. First one, IAM pathway or indole 3 acetamide pathway. Second one, TAM pathway or tryptophan pathway. Third one, indole 3 acetaldehyde pathway or IAOX pathway. The tryptophan independent pathway is always called as bacterial pathway. First one, TAM pathway. Tryptophan is converted into tryptamine and the removal of carbon dioxide with the help of the enzyme tryptophan decarboxylase. Tryptamine is converted into indole 3 acetaldehyde and adding of oxygen and the removal of ammonia and oxidation of or oxidizing by the enzyme tryptamine oxidase. Indole 3 acetaldehyde is converted into indole 3 acetic acid and adding of oxygen and the removal of hydrogen and with the help of the enzyme indole 3 acetaldehyde dehydrogenase. Second one, IPA pathway. The tryptophan is converted into indole 3 pyruvic acid and adding of oxygen and the removal of ammonia or transfer of ammonia, presence of the enzyme tryptophan transaminase. The indole 3 pyruvic acid is converted into indole 3 acetic acid and the removal of carbon dioxide and decarboxylation by the enzyme indole pyruvate decarboxylase. The indole 3 acetaldehyde is converted into indole 3 acetic acid and adding of oxygen and the removal of hydrogen and the presence of the enzyme indole 3 acetaldehyde dehydrogenase. Next one, IAN pathway. The tryptophan is converted into indole 3 acetaldehyde and produced by indole 3 acetonitrile. The indole 3 acetonitrile is converted into indole 3 acetic acid and the presence of the enzyme nitrilase. The tryptophan is converted into indole 3 acetonamide or IAM pathway and the presence of the enzyme tryptophan monooxygenase. The indole 3 acetamide is converted into indole 3 acetic acid and the presence of the enzyme indole 3 acetamide hydroxylase. Thank you.